Oh my god, matchy. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Memphis for those of you who don't know, and for those of you who do know, you're welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button, leave a thumbs up, turn on post notifications so you get notified whenever I post a new video. That being said, let's get right into it.
Wine on my body, baby, wine that. Wine on my body, baby, wine that. Wine on my body, baby, wine that. She tell me say now only me, they make a move, they make a feel right now.
So I ordered a few things from Darling Nigeria and MegaGrowth. You guys know what I'm talking about. I actually ordered it on a website called the Diva shop. I think that's the only authorized dealer, online dealer in Nigeria, I think. So I just want to show you guys what I got. Oh my god, matchy. Guys, you know, the dispatch rider was so rude to me. Like, what the fuck? He called me screaming like, "Madam, I've been calling you since. Mind you, he had not been calling me since. Like, I was so scared. I thought I was about to be scammed. He's like, "Didn't you order something from Lagos?" And I was thinking, like, what did I even order from Lagos? I totally forgot I ordered this. I actually ordered it on Monday, and then the guy called me yesterday, Thursday, screaming at me over the phone, and I thought I was about to be scammed. He's like, "Didn't you order something from Lagos? I came to your estate, I was calling you not pick up my call." And I ended the call on him. Like, when I think I'm about to be scammed, I don't even like to dialogue with them. So I don't like even mistakenly give out my information. He was asking me questions. Are you know Memphis? I was like, yes. Is your address not? I just cut the call. And then he called me back. He's like, "Do you want me to return these things to Lagos?" I'm like, "What are the things?" Because I kept on asking, like, what are the things? So I would like try and remember. He didn't answer me. "Do you want me to return these things to Lagos?" I ended the call again. He now called me back. He said, "Didn't you order some hair products?" I was like, "Oh, you could have said that since." And I told him to come today. So rude. Anyway. Okay, so the first thing I ordered was this MegaGrowth deep conditioner. I made a mistake actually. I wanted to order I don't know what it's called. I wanted to order the pink one. That one looks cute, you know, good for aesthetics and shit. But then I didn't know there were two different things, so I ordered this one, and it's white inside and not pink. Yep, white. So this is a deep conditioner that you just use after you've washed your hair and you're about to like dry it and stuff. And next thing I ordered was MegaGrowth growth oil. So it's just an oil for your hair. I've been taking my hair care pretty serious ever since the beginning of this year, and I don't plan on stopping. Next thing I ordered was their wash day combo pack. So it's literally just shampoo and conditioner. You know, I'm quite proud of these brands, MegaGrowth and Darling, because it's like a brand that Nigerians can relate to. This shampoo and conditioner is so cheap. It's literally 1k each, I think. If you buy them separately, it's 1k, but if you buy them together, I think there's a 200 naira discount or something if you buy it in this pack. So yeah, I'm glad that we have a Nigerian hair brands that are reliable, because almost every salon use MegaGrowth if you want to relax your hair. If you're not using MegaGrowth, what are you using? I don't know why I bought this. This is their relaxer pack. So they have this new relaxer for sensitive scalp. I've used it once. The last time I relaxed my hair, I used it and I'm never going back. Normally, when I relax my hair, my scalp, 10 minutes in, my scalp is already on fire. But then, I went to the salon and they're like, "Is my scalp sensitive?" Because I was asking them for kids relaxer. They're like, "Oh, is your scalp sensitive and stuff?" I'm like, "Yeah, my scalp's sensitive." They're like, "Oh, MegaGrowth has this new relaxer," and then I used it and, bro, I'm never going back. I don't know why I bought a pack, because there are 7 inside. I relax my hair only twice a year, so I don't know what I'm going to do with all of this. So it's the sensitive care. This is what one pack looks like. There are things behind it as well. So it has the activator, the cream relaxer, leave-in strengthener, and 2 other things I can't see. Okay, deep conditioner and probably a shampoo. That's nice. That's actually really nice. It's like This is like a kit relaxer, except it's not. So if you have sensitive skin, if you have sensitive hair or sensitive scalp and soft hair, this is definitely for you. Like, you need to try it out. It's not a joke. So I got only one thing from Darling. That is their this is longer than I expected. Well, not really. Like, on the model, you can see this is the model and this is the hair I want. They have reviews on their website, and someone left a review saying, first of all, the hair is not as long and it's not as full, and I was happy because I want to do like 2 pigtails and I don't need it this full on 2 sides of my head, so I was happy. But it's actually quite, well, let me open it. Looks quite full. And oh my god, the texture is really nice actually. It's not very synthetic-y, if you get what I mean. Let me see. And I didn't order I ordered color NB3. They had NB1 and NB3. I'm guessing NB1 is like black, so I didn't want black so it won't look too synthetic-y, because my hair is kind of brown, and if I get black it'll just be somehow. So this is what it looks like. It actually feels really good, like really good. Like, it's very soft and it does not look synthetic. I know it is synthetic, it's probably like fiber or something, but it looks really good. And I got 2 because I'm going to be doing 2 pigtails. Let me see how it will look. Ooh, I can't wait. It says it's 24 inches. I don't this is definitely not 24 inches. And if you put this, it's so short. It is so short. If I were doing like a high ponytail and I put this here, can you see how short it is? Like, you can't even divide up to here. And look at the model. See how long it looks on her. But I like it though. It's alright. It's good enough for what I want to use it for, and I can't wait to try it on. Yeah, that is what I got from the Diva shop. I got MegaGrowth products and I got Darling. I actually forgot. I wanted to get Darling, what's that thing called? Passion braids, passion twists. Because I wanted to make like a fringe wig. Kelechi, if you guys watch YouTube a lot, you should know Kelechi in Bemina. Sorry if I just butchered her last name. But yeah, she some time ago she made like this fringe curly wig with their passion twist. So I wanted to do that as well, but I forgot to order the extensions. So I'll order it again. Actually, I got like free shipping. Everything I ordered was over 12,000 naira, so I got free shipping. Yeah, I'm so excited. I can't wait to do my pigtails and show you guys. I don't know if I'm going to make the pigtail and this video one video. If this video is too short, I'll join them together. But if it's quite long, I'll just do them separately. Alright guys, thanks for watching.